my profession is teaching, I had 3 years of experience, but sometimes I felt like nervous to speak in front of so many peoples, and also even if I knew the concepts also, but I didn't have that much confidence to share in front of so many peoples. So anyway, I managed. Then I took a break. In that break time, I joined English therapy platform. Once I joined English therapy platform, from the first day I'm observing, sir, your each and every word carries some value, sir, power. And every session, sir, whatever the sessions you are conducting from Monday to Saturday have their own value, sir. Every sessions helped me to improve my communication skills. And also I got my confidence, courage, and I lost my fear and self-doubt. Now I can able to manage anything in my professional life as well as in personal life. Sir, I am a big fan of your psychology videos, sir. I watched all your psychology videos. By watching all your psychology videos, I my mindset became strong. Now I can able to handle any tough situation in my life. Last month I got an opportunity to work as a science teacher in one good institution. Now I can able to handle anything in my teaching field. And also, sir, there is a huge difference, sir, what I was and who I was and who I am today. This huge difference did not happen by chance. It happened only because of your guidance. Sir, I truly believe from the bottom of my heart, you are not an ordinary person, sir. You are a special child of God. And I strongly feel there is a divine connection between you and God and all of us. We're all part of this English therapy platform. Sir, I will carry your guidance forever in my heart. And also, sir, I feel like you came into my life at the right time and helped me the way I truly needed. No one ever helped me like you, sir, in overcoming my negative thoughts. Just saying thank you does not feel enough, sir. I will hold you in my heart with a deep respect and gratitude. I will remember your all guidance forever, sir. Every minute, second, and every hour, I will remember your guidance. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.